Hello cookies and welcome back to another video. So let's get right into the video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe, and yeah, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. So the first item up is these cowboy boots. These are by Coach. These are called Pauline leather booties, and they're in black. And here's the box. They're so cute. So tell me what you guys think. Might as well go with the Western theme. The Western theme. Oh my goodness, are they cute? I have to try these on for you guys. And I have a 9.5 medium, so hopefully they fit your girl, but they're so cute. So here are the two boots. So yeah, I did do unboxing, so I'll include some of the unboxing in this video. But they're so cute, and they're like suede with leather with the silver studs, and they have the pointy toe like a cowboy boot. And I would say this is about a little over 2 inches, a little over 2 inches high. And this was part of the reserve section at the outlet. And then I have really cute, so I'm really excited about that. And then I have a box here. Let's get into the box. Oh, this looks long. Okay, these are a size 10. They're called OBI rubber. OBI flower pink. OBI rubber flower pink. And let's see what they look like. Ooh, cute. Oh, they do kind of look a little wide. Oh, but this is what they look like. This is the bottom, and it has like the Coach little emblem here. They look like they haven't been worn. They look brand new. I think the CCs are cute. These are some cute little sandals. So yeah, that's what's in this bag or this box. Cute. This doesn't look like this one was tried on at all, so we'll see what that looks like. And then I have something from Lululemon. And Lululemon, when you buy something there, you get a free little bag, a little tote bag. And I forgot to mention that in the beginning, Lululemon. I've been so into these bum bags lately. So I'm definitely going to Scotch guard this and spray it. It's white and it has the adjustable strap. And I tried it on and it fits you full figure girls. It really does. This is super nice. It has a zipper in the back here. And it's just white on the inside. And I'm definitely going to spray it because I would like to preserve the whiteness if I can. And it has like this little mesh pocket here in the back, like a slip pocket, and then in the front it has two little pockets, and it zips down, dual zippers. It's got 2 zippers, which is kind of nice. And then it just has like this drawstring pull cord on the back. And it's very nice and adjustable, and it just clips on like this. Just stick it in. And I'm sure you can wear it in multiple ways, like this if you want it, or around your waist. And I've been liking wearing it around my waist. So that's been, when I started wearing my little Coach cherry bag, I really like it. And I was like, oh, I need to get a couple. So just a little bit bigger. It just seems like this will hold just as much, if not more. This one's kind of a different shape, but yep. So I got that from Lululemon. And then I also got this one. I went to the outlet and they were on sale. The original price on this one was $68, but at the outlet I think everything was $28. And then I got this one, and the fur, it said final sale $39, but I think that day they had an additional price off. I'm pretty sure it was like $29. And this one seems about the same size. Has the two gold zippers here, the Lululemon on it, and it's the same on the inside. It zips on the side. Yeah, this is nice. It seems like really roomy, like I could really fit like a full-size wallet. And then it also has the zipper here in the back. So yep, that's my Lululemon. And I'll try to put a few things in there. I'll do that and insert it at the end to show you what kind of fits in there like a full-size wallet. And then I also got this bag. When you buy each purchase, they gave you a little Lululemon bag, which is nice. And then I also got this one, this little headband that was on sale. I thought that was cute. It was really packed in that store. It's really quite busy. Okay, so here we have the Lululemon. I just wanted to give you a close-up view of what it holds. So I have some dental picks, hand sanitizer, 2 Dior lip balms, some gum, and then I just have this little card case by Coach. It has like 4 card slots, a slot in the front, and this is what it looks like in the inside. So I just wanted to show you what this one holds. It holds a lot. Plus it has the back zipper pocket, so I'm really excited about this. My new bum bag. And then here is the other one. It has Lululemon right here. Has a little gold, the little gold buckle, the gold accents. And then this one I put in here. I like that it zips down on the side. This is giving me a hard time right here. Or is it something stuck? What the world? Oh, it's the inside. It's the little pleat. You got to be careful. But this I have in here. I have a full-size Coach wallet. It looks cute with this. It has the gold accent and you can put cash here. And then I have some wipes. I have my Coach key holder. And then on this side, I have some Barbie Kleenex. And then I have some Too Faced lip gloss. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how much it holds and still have the slim profile. And it has the dual zippers. So yeah, that's the Lululemon. And before I got cut off in the video, I wanted to show you also this bum bag that I picked up by Stoney Clover. This is the Stoney Clover and Juicy Couture collaboration. Pardon the noise. And this is what this bum bag looks like. It's pretty big. You can see the zipper was resting on there. And it has the Stoney Clover lane, and it also has the Juicy Stoney Clover and Juicy Couture. And the inside, it's so pretty. It has like it feels like a plastic lining. This is the card that came with it. And then it has the Stoney Clover and Juicy Couture tag. So this one, this is what it looks like on the back. It's like that soft velvety velvet. And then it has the same opening with the gold accent. So I'm sure what fits in here will fit in here. Now this one is kind of large, so I probably wouldn't pack it too much because it would be too heavy to wear around your waist. I would just pack like the necessities. Like I think this is a good amount, but actually this might be good with something structured. Like I like how fluffy it is, but isn't this the cutest bum bag? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you cookies in the next video. Let me know what you think. Peace out. Deuces.